Oh, so a company has sent me this fly like a real bird. It's called a go-go bird. So let's have a look at what's inside. Oh, so let's have a look. What is this? Apparently it's a very popular toy. I guess it's going to fly like a bird and you get remote control. So I guess it's a little bit like a drone bird thing. Let's have a closer look. Oh, cool. It's a bird. Oh, no, not for you. We're going to test this with Oakley. Oakley's going to help us review this
there's
go-go
also
bird.
these parts.
I'm excited.
Oh, wait. Look.
You need 2 AAA batteries. Yep, we've also got
and
these
then I found
parts.
out that you put that in there, it fits.
Like a USB thing. We think that's a spare battery because there's one in the back of the bird like that. So I think that's a spare battery and you can charge it with a USB, I think. Got this remote control here. We do have instructions, but you know me, when I'm the real reviewer, we don't normally read instructions. But let's have a look. It says, hold the bird, press once. Oh God, I don't know what I'm doing here. Right, so under its little cage, its body,
Yeah, that.
there should be a little on button.
Oh yeah, I think.
Which you turn on. Oh, you've done it. So it's light in green. That means it's on. So now...
Press that button to make its wings flap.
Oh, God, the dog wants a piece of the action.
Just let it go. And then
Wait. Don't press anything. Don't do anything. And it's got a little camera on its snout. Don't go too far over there. You ready? We're going to... Ooh! So gently toss forward. Gently toss forward. No. Oh dear. Get rid of the dog. Right. You ready?
Stop it.
Play it. Oh.
Cool.
It is. You like it?
Yeah.
It'll be fun outside.
It's a 10 out of 10, I think.
Oh,
It's
that's
really
brilliant.
windy.
So we've got the bird outside. He's gonna set his wings off and see what happens. It's got to be switched on at the side as well.
Right.
Whoa! Yay! Oh, whoa! Oh, it beeped. Whoa! It nearly went over the gate.
I can't get it. Right.
Yay!
I want
Oh, keep
rising.
doing it! It's going up! Run! I love this creature! Look at it! How cool is it? Catch it! Catch the pigeon. Can you get it to go back up?
Yeah.
That is so it! Don't put it on road. Oh, I'm a cream crackered. It's going. Oh, don't let go. Oh. God, he's staying up for ages. It's wicked.
Right, there you go, bird. See? Wasn't that hard?
Amazing. He's absolutely loving it. He's wanted to take this out all day again. Oh, where are we going? God, it's gone high.
So high.
So high now. Look. Woo! Oh. So what do you think?
Fox, I need to get over there.
What do you think?
Good, no, it's really good. But I tried to focus on getting it back.
It's right. It's only there.
Come on, I can feel rain.
Yeah. Right, grab it then, come on. Come on.
Like it.
Right, so do you like it?
Yes.
Would you give it a 5 out of 5?
Yeah, 10 out of 5.
Cool, isn't it? So the little go-go bird is absolutely fantastic. It's a 10 out of 5 from me and Oakley. 10 out of 5. And from a 5 out of 5 from the real reviewer. Absolutely wonderful. Love it. Really affordable as well. I think it's under £40. I have put a link in the description, and I've also put a discount code as well. You can get 15 off with it. So yes, you've got to get one. They're great fun, and it's literally been through the mill. Like, we have played with this so much, it's crashed down from major heights and it's still in one piece, hasn't broken. I thought that it'd be a little bit more flimsy than it is, but it's really strong, really amazing, fun little toy. And yeah, I'm sure we're going to have hours more fun with it, because Oakley just cannot wait to get home from school to play with it. He just absolutely loves it. And it comes in different colours as well, so you can choose your colour. Enjoy, guys. Thanks for watching.